Enumeration on Yuzu, Karma. Pass Nisai. Water Thunder in 3. Verdict, Purple Gamma
What?
Nisai.
Oh no, Alice was just too low.
Get Purple Gamma.
Imagine not having 100k HP.
Dude, I'm already casting physical lore as well. Oh my god.
Means on himself.
Okay.
200 health.
Dude, I got a fucking Facebook notification. It's full on just like lagged me out.
Yeah, you went Pokeball.
Actually doxed by fucking Zuckerberg.
I don't know, all I'm saying is Mira hasn't spoke since he reported himself.
Tank
He hasn't been
Cleave.
speaking all day. Apart from when he got the 100. There wasn't a man.
Everybody.
Hello?
Oh, mate, my stand.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck this, man. I'm not playing today. Fuck this fight.
Bro, that
Fuck.
was the perfect like toad mob sound effect.
I couldn't tell if that was my fucking hellfrog or not. Full on sounded like hellfrog.
Oh no.
It's not funny, man. It's childish.
Right.
Fucking less of them ninja OGCDs though. It's not a fucking job.